Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best crochet hair for kids ages 4 to 8. The 8-inch Kids Crochet Hair Wavy Senegalese Twist by Aeagoo. This product is designed specifically with little girls in mind, offering a protective style that is both cute and manageable, making it ideal for young children and busy parents alike. What sets this crochet hair apart is its soft and lightweight premium synthetic material, handmade by professional braiders to ensure a natural look and feel. The twists are knotless and tight, resembling real hair with a beautiful wavy texture and curly ends that stay intact over time. This means your child's hairstyle will maintain its lively and fluffy appearance, even after multiple uses. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the pre-looped design, making it beginner-friendly for both parents and stylists. The package comes with 8 packs of hair, enough for a full head, plus a crochet needle and necessary accessories. This makes it convenient to create various styles, whether you want a full head of twists or want to mix and match colors for a playful look. One great feature is its durability and reusability. The synthetic hair is washable and designed to last, so you can save money by reusing it multiple times. It's also low maintenance and gentle on the scalp, providing a comfortable, itch-free experience perfect for kids. In terms of versatility, this crochet hair suits a wide range of occasions. Whether it's for daily wear, parties, vacations, or special events like weddings, this style is sure to attract compliments. It strikes a perfect balance between stylish and age-appropriate, making it a favorite for little girls who want to look fashionable without the hassle. The length of the hair is 8 inches, offering a short bob style that's easy to manage and style. The curls at the ends add a lively touch that enhances the overall look without requiring extra effort to maintain. With options available in different colors and pack sizes, you can choose what best fits your needs. Overall, the Aeagoo 8-inch Kids Crochet Hair Wavy Senegalese Twist combines style, convenience, and quality into one package. It's an excellent choice for parents looking for a protective hairstyle that saves time and keeps their little ones looking adorable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.